Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to multiply cells within numbers on your Mac. Super easy process. Let's do it right now. Okay, so we're going to be using a very simple spreadsheet to show this process. Again, feel free to get creative with your own spreadsheets. This is going to be the very basics and you can kind of build from here. So what I want to do is I want to multiply a few of these cells. What I have is a current months for the first half of the year, as well as sales totals for those specific months. And I want to project out how much our sales might be between now and the end of the year. So again, I can either take a specific cell and multiply it out, or I can take all of these cells, the sum of all these cells, and multiply it by 2, let's say to get the rest of the year's projected sales, or by something like 4, which would give us the next 2 years. So again, let's start with a single cell multiplication process and build from there. So I want my total, my multiplication total, to show up down here and this specific cell. So this is where we're going to do our function. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the equals key, and that's going to bring up our little function box. So what I'm going to do again is start with one cell. I'm going to click on the cell that I want to multiply, and then I'm going to hit the Shift and the 8 key, and that is the asterisk button. That's actually going to bring up this little multiplication symbol. And then we're going to multiply it by the amount that we want. So let's say I just want to know what June projected out the next 6 months might be. So once I type in that number, I'm going to go ahead and click the checkbox. And as you can see, it multiplies that by 6. So let's say you want to do all of these numbers. You want to do a nice sum of the first half of the year and multiply that out. Well, what we're going to do then, I'm going to click back on this box. Let's go ahead and erase this. I'm going to go ahead and do sum. I'm going to type in that sum, and then I'm going to go ahead and select all of the cells that I want to be included in that multiplication process. So you can see that we're looking at the sum of the B2 through B7. Then what I want to do is go outside of these little parentheses here, click right here, and then I'm going to do that Shift 8 again to get that little multiplication symbol. And at this point, I'm going to just do 2 because that will project this out for the rest of the year to give us an idea of what the year looks like. Click that checkbox, and as you can see, we've now multiplied the sum of all of these cells out. Again, you can come back in here and you can tweak this specific number to be multiplied by anything that you want. Friends, I hope that has helped. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? Feel free to drop a comment if you have specific questions, maybe a little more complicated, and also subscribe because we've got a bunch more spreadsheet tutorials that are coming up really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.